Well, it is Wednesday, my dudes. Hi, Duchess. Yeah, hi, Duchess. Hey, Georgie, what'd you find over there? Oh, I found some scraps of your very own. Hey, Georgie. Hi there, guess what? Yeah, hi there. Queen of the corn, guess what? And a lovely hello to you too, chicken butt. Wait a minute. You're a chicken butt. I'm sorry, Priscilla. I'm sorry, Priscilla. I didn't mean to confuse you and your sister. Although it's tough. It's tough if I don't have the angle right and can't see that one little chicken butt dark feather there. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference. That's right. Yeah. Well, you sure told me.